If you are a solopreneur in this time, you already know that running a business alone is not easy. You are juggling multiple marketing, sales, or customer follow up and operations, often all at once. And one of the biggest challenges is figuring out how to save both time and money while still growing your business. That's where GoHighLevel comes in. In this video, we will explore how GoHighLevel helps the solopreneurs like you streamline your workflow, automate the task, and cut the unnecessary cost, all in a way that's easy to understand. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make tech and business tools simple so you can focus on growth, not stress. If that sounds good to you or useful to you, go ahead and subscribe this channel. Don't forget to check the link in the description or the pinned comment below for free trial and the special deals for GoHighLevel. If you use the official website for the free trial, you will get the 14 days free trial, but by using the link in the description, you will be able to use the free trial for the extended 30 days. So check that out. Okay, so first let's talk about the time saving things. As a solopreneur, every minute counts. GoHighLevel allows you to automate so many repetitive tasks. For example, lead capture, email follow-up, SMS reminders, and appointment schedule. All of this can run automatically. Imagine this. Someone visits your landing page, enters their information, and without you touching anything, they can get an email or text reminder and even a calendar invite for a consultation. That's hours of manual work saved every week, and it all happens in the background. Now let's talk about money savings. Normally, you would need to subscribe too many tools, one for email marketing, another for CRM, maybe another for SMS, campaign, plus a landing page builder, and perhaps an automation tool. It adds up quickly. So GoHighLevel combines most of these tools into one platform, which means you don't have to pay separately for each services. You get a full suite of tools for roughly the price of one or two subscription elsewhere, which is a huge cost saving, especially if you are in budget. Another big advantage is the centralized management. Everything is one place, like contact, lead, communication pipeline, and a marketing campaign. You don't have to jump between different apps, logins, or dashboard. This not only saves time, but it also reduces the mistake because all your data is in one place, like organized and easy to track. GoHighLevel also help you to scaling without extra cost. Even if you are a solo now, maybe you want to handle more clients in the future. Since GoHighLevel supports multiple pipeline, automation, and workflow, you can take on more clients without needing to hire extra staff right away. You can manage everything efficiently and ensure to no leads or tasks fail through the crack. Finally, there is the peace of mind factor. Knowing that your follow-ups, appointments, marketing campaign are automated, this means less stress and more focus on the high-value work that actually grows your business, like closing deals, improving the product, or connecting your client personally. So in short, GoHighLevel helps the solopreneurs to save the time by automating repetitive tasks and saves the money by replacing multiple tools with one platform, and provides a central hub for all kind of business operation. For anyone running a business alone, it's like having a full team supporting you without the overhead cost. So this is the GoHighLevel for the solopreneurs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.